Good morning, dear students. As you are aware very well that your exams are going on, so today is the time for revision of A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. This is the very nice and first story of your book. Let's start getting the theme of the story, which you have already read very well. A Triumph of Surgery is a simple story with simple subject which has much significance for our life. This chapter tells us how a rich lady pampers her dog and makes it very lazy. Her overfeeding the dog makes it fat and ill. The narrator, who is a doctor, understands the dog's lethargy and treats it at his clinic. The dog becomes active and the lady takes him back home. Parents often pampers their kids by giving them excessive and variety of meals. Because of this, they become overweight and spoiled. Parents just try to meet every demand of the kid and fail to give them exercise for their body and mind. So, dear children, this is the main theme of this story, that in this story one doctor, that is the narrator as well, he knows that the lady, the owner of the dog, was overfeeding it, and because of the overfeeding the dog was suffering a lot. So because of that he had to take him in the hospital, in his clinic, and there he stopped all his meals. So this is the main theme of the story, and the message is, at present scenario, every parent want to give everything to their children, and doing so they forget that they are overfeeding the children and they are not giving any exercise to them. Their body as well as in mind needs some exercise. So this is the theme of this story. Let's discuss the summary of the story. Tricky was a small dog. His mistress, Pamphry, pampered him, loved him very much. This is the story of Tricky, whose owner, Mrs. Pamphry, loved him so much. Even she showed extra love for him. She overfed him because she loved him over. That is why she was feeding him extra. She gave him food rich with fats. Tricky never refused food anytime. Because Tricky got food all the time, so it had become his habit to accept food each and every time, whatever time he got it. He was always greedy for food. He liked cream cakes and biscuits very much. Mrs. Pamphry gave him cod liver oil and Horlicks. She also gave him wine to drink. These eatables are described just to show how much Mrs. Pamphry loved him. That she was not giving him a balanced diet, but she was always overfeeding it. And it had become Tricky's habit that he was never refusing anything and he was enjoying. As a result, he had become very fat. This all made Tricky look like a blotted sausage, meaning a big piece of meat. He was looking like that. He became very lazy, as it generally is the result of overfeeding. If you become fat, you become lazy also. The same thing happened with the dog. He became uninterested in things because he had become so lazy that he was not at all had any interest in anything. He kept lying all day on the carpet. He had some bonds of vomiting. Mrs. Pamphry thought that he was seriously ill. She called Mr. James Herriot, who was a very vet surgeon. Vet surgeon, animal doctor, because he was vomiting due to excess of feeding. So she thought that he needed a doctor that time. So that is why Mr. Herriot were called. Mr. Harriot was veterinary doctor. Mr. Harriot had already expected him this to happen, as he knew that Tricky was suffering because of overfeeding. He had already made his plans. He took a firm line and said that Tricky must be admitted in the hospital for a fortnight. This suggestion made Mrs. Pamphry almost swoon. Mr. Harriot wrapped him in a blanket. So this was the planning of Mr. Harriot. He knew it very well. One day Tricky had to suffer all these things. That is why he became firm, and he told that Tricky need to be sent in the hospital. So though Mrs. Pamphry was very sad, she did not want to apart from Tricky, but there was no any other way left. That is why he was sent into the hospital. There also Mrs. Pamphry was sending so many edibles. She arranged all the comfortable thing as far as her knowledge is concerned. But the doctor, Mr. Harriot, did not give any special treatment. There he was kept with the other dogs, where he had to struggle for his food, and even initially he was not given food, and as a result of that he came into shape. When he was leaving the hospital, that time also Mrs. Pamphry became extremely emotional, and it was very clear for the readers that again Mrs. Pamphry is going to do the same. So this is the theme, this is the story of this lesson. So dear children, the message is excess of care by parents always spoil the children. Just like excess of love of Mrs. Pamphry spoiled the health of dog Tricky. Thank you.